Looking to streamline your estimating process for construction projects? CoConstruct can completely transform how you approach estimates, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Stick around until the end to find out how you can try this powerful software for free, along with some exclusive bonuses that make it even more valuable. CoConstruct helps you get precise estimates, reduce errors, and simplify communication with your clients. If you're in construction, you know how critical accurate estimations are. That's where CoConstruct comes in. It's not just about creating numbers on a page, it's about creating a system that keeps everyone on the same page, from your team to your clients. Next thing to consider is its integration with your existing processes. CoConstruct allows you to customize your estimates based on your specific pricing needs and the way your business works. You won't have to start from scratch every time. Just plug in your data, and CoConstruct will help you generate accurate, detailed estimates that can be sent to clients almost instantly. It saves hours of manual work. The fourth thing you'll want to know is CoConstruct's ability to track changes in real time. When a change happens, whether it's a material cost adjustment or a change in the scope of work, your estimate updates automatically. No more worrying about outdated information affecting your bids. It keeps everything up to date and prevents costly mistakes. Next, it's all about collaboration. CoConstruct makes it easy for your team to work together on estimates, even if you're spread out across different locations. Multiple users can update a project at the same time, and everything is synced in real time. That means your team is always on the same page, making sure nothing slips through the cracks. Another key feature is its client portal. When you send your estimate to a client, they can access it directly through CoConstruct's intuitive platform. They can view, comment, and approve the estimate all in one place. No more back and forth emails with attachments and confusion. Everything is clear, organized, and easy for both you and the client. Now, you might be wondering how to get started. The great news is that you can try CoConstruct completely free using the first link in the description below. And with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to access extra features that will help you take your business to the next level. Lastly, don't forget, CoConstruct is more than just software. It's a tool designed to make your estimating process smoother, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. The improvements you'll see in accuracy and time management will be worth every minute of your time. So, if you're ready to enhance your estimating process, click that link below to start your free trial and enjoy those exclusive bonuses. CoConstruct is here to help you work smarter, not harder, and streamline your construction estimating like never before.